Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here at Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today I've got a super special unboxing for you because my homies from India sent over a little something. We're looking at these headphones by GoBoult, a brand that's seriously leveling up their game to premium territory. This time it's a collab with Ford Mustang. Fun fact, they're actually the #1 audio brand in India right now. Keeping it 100 on the ethics side, I'm not talking about the price in this video. If you're curious, just look it up yourself online. This brand is flexing some serious numbers in India. Over 3 million 4-star ratings and 300 million happy customers. They're basically one of the fastest growing brands out there. Checking out the hyped specs, these come with multiple built-in EQs, a foldable design, hi-fi sound, and Zen ENC, environmental noise cancellation, which we'll dive into later. We also got memory foam ear pads, 40mm BoomX drivers, easy physical touch controls, and they vibe with every OS, Android, iOS, and Windows. Plus, the website says they're rocking Bluetooth 5.4. I actually unboxed these at work already, but inside the box you get a 3.5mm cable, the headphones, a protective pouch, a USB-C charging cable, some pretty sick colorful stickers, and the user manual. The headphones feel solid. Even though they're plastic, the build is nice and I'm digging the color combo. On this side, we have the power/pause button, which also triggers Siri. Right next to it, you've got the volume rockers that also skip tracks. Like I said, they're foldable, and the adjusters inside are made of stainless steel. The ear pads are super comfy, actually thicker than the ones on the Beats Studio Pro. You get USB-C fast charging, 10 minutes equals 10 hours of play, 70 hours total, a 3.5mm jack, and a mic. Each cup has mics for the ENC. What is ENC? Basically, it filters out the background noise so people can hear you crystal clear during calls. The coolest part? When you turn them on or off, you hear the sound of a Ford Mustang engine revving up. To pair them, just hold the power button until the LED flashes. Find them in your phone's Bluetooth settings, tap, and you're good. No extra apps or annoying setups. Right off the bat, I can tell you these things are loud. I've been rocking these for a week now and noticed a few things on iOS. The power button also triggers Siri if you double tap it. Tap the plus button for volume, or hold it to skip to the next track. Same for the minus button to go back. The X bass button is where the magic happens. It lets you cycle through EQs, bass, rock, pop, and vocal. My favorite so far is pop because the sound is super balanced. If you long press the X bass button, they go into game mode, which has ultra-low latency of just 60 milliseconds. Even though they feel simple, they're rated IPX5, meaning they can handle some splashes or sweat. But don't go jumping into a pool with them. Here's a quick side-by-side with the Beats Studio Pro. Those weigh 272 grams, while the GoBoults are only 213 grams. They're definitely chunkier, and the pads are thicker. I've enjoyed taking them for walks and workouts. The isolation is solid and they're comfy for long sessions, though they don't have a transparency mode. For gaming, I tested them with the Nintendo Switch 2. Honestly, I didn't notice a huge difference with game mode on or off, but the sound is crisp and the stereo separation is legit. For work, I used them for a few days via the 3.5mm cable on Teams. I could hear everyone perfectly, but my co-workers mentioned my voice sounded a bit lower than usual. Overall, I think these are a huge W. They sound great, especially in pop mode. The battery life is insane, and being able to switch EQs directly on the headphones is a total game changer. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you vibed with the video, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to sub for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.